Most all the time, I get questions like, grow with Mimi, how were you able to achieve your 16:9 images for your faceless content? Now, how I was able to achieve 16:9 images for my YouTube videos is what I'll be showing you in this video. So first of all, I will head over to my Chrome browser. I said Chrome browser. So here on my Chrome browser, I will type Meta AI. On Chrome browser, I am typing Meta AI. So now that I have typed Meta AI, it has brought me to this interface. So I'll go ahead and choose this first option here. So I've clicked on the first option and it has brought me to this interface. At this point, this is the first thing I will do. I will look up here. Now that I've looked up, I have seen 3 dots up there. I'll click on the 3 dots and put my phone in desktop site. I am putting my phone in desktop site so I will have access to all the features on this platform. So now this is the interface. This is the interface I have. So in order for me to create this, if I look by the side here at the left hand side, I can see one small stuff. I don't know how to describe it, but I'll zoom so that you can see. So what I'll do at this point is for me to click on that square stuff that I am seeing. So as I clicked on it, these are the options I can see. Here I can see new chat, discover, create, and history. I don't want to go ahead and read everything. What I will do at this point is for me to click on create. I don't know if you can see create here. Let me do it. So create, I'll go ahead and click on create. So you need to be very careful so you don't click on something else. Now I clicked on create and it has brought me to this interface. One way you will know that it has brought you to this interface is this. Now let me remove my phone from this desktop site so that I can have it bold. Now one way you will know that you can now use a 16:9 is if your images, the previous images, or if your interface is showing like this. Now in a situation where you used Meta AI, oh my goodness, what's that? In a situation where you used Meta AI previously to generate images, if you scroll down, you'll notice that those images will be in another aspect ratio. Like this particular one I regenerated earlier today, it was in 9:16. 9:16 is best if you're creating YouTube short or TikTok videos, you understand? So these are the ones I created earlier. At this point, for me to achieve my 16:9 images, I have to look below. Can you see this? Describe your image. Now this is what I will click on, this particular small box here. So I've clicked on it now and it has brought this for me. I've clicked on it and it has brought this for me. This first one is 1:1. I think this one is best for Instagram. This second one is 9:16, while the third one here is 16:9. Please do not let these things confuse you. 16:9 is for YouTube, while 9:16 is for TikTok video or YouTube shorts. So don't let it confuse you. Now let me show you something. If I give a prompt now, my video will be generated in 16:9. So you go ahead and choose this 16:9. So let me just give a prompt. Here I will say, please kindly create a picture of an African lady, dark and beautiful, cooking with a native pot. I don't want this video to be long, so I won't make the prompt long. So I won't even talk about the dress she's gonna wear and all of that. I'll go ahead and click on this. I'll go ahead and click on this blue icon here. So I've clicked on the blue icon, I've sent it. So at this point, let's see if it is generating. If you look up here, it is generating. It is currently generating. So I'll pause the video. Once it is done generating, I will show you. Now I don't want you to go anywhere, because after generating this image, I will still teach you how to animate this image. Now let me tell you something. The best AI, according to me, the best AI in my opinion is this Meta AI, because it will generate for you, it will animate for you, and the amazing thing is this: it does not have limits. For now, I encourage you to keep generating content with it, because imagine if it has limits, it means that you might have to pay just like other AI tools. So at this point, let me pause the video, and once it is done generating, I'll show you, and I will as well show you how to animate those images, because this Meta AI will give you the leverage for you to tell your image what to do. Unlike the Grok AI will just animate for you, but it won't give you the leverage for you to tell your image what to do. So this Meta AI, even if you want the image to be dancing, it's just for you to describe what your image should be doing, and that's just it. So let me pause the video. Once it is done generating, we come back. At this point, guys, our images are ready. These are the 4 images that Meta AI generated for me, and if you look at the size, it is 16 by 9, meaning that I can use it for my YouTube videos without having to fill up the background or using overlay. Now if I click on this image, it will give me the leverage to animate. Personally, I think Meta AI is the only free AI tool that gives users the leverage for them to edit the image. So like right now, if I'm not comfortable with the image, I want to change the color of the clothes, I want to change anything, I can go ahead and click on edit image. Now another thing that Meta AI does is this: it gives you the leverage for you to describe your image. So whatever thing you want your image to be doing, you can go ahead and describe it. So like right now, I can click on custom animate. So if I click on custom animate, like right now, it will give me the leverage to describe what I want the image to be doing. So here I will say, let the lady, okay, the lady should be testing her food, her already, it should be her already cooked food, her already cooked food. Then I'll go ahead, I'll go ahead and send it. I can even add music if I want to. I'll go ahead and click here so it can animate. So I'll go ahead. If you look up here, it is generating. It is currently generating. So I need to wait for it to get done generating. So let me pause the video. Once it is done, I will show you the outcome. At this point, guys, our animated image is actually ready. Here is it. So if I click on it like right now, it will take me to another interface. This is the interface. Look at it now. It is in a video format. So remember what I told you to do. I told you that this woman should be cooking, like should be turning her pot while smiling. That was what I told you to do. So I'm trying to bring it back so that you can watch it play. That is it, guys. She's turning what she's cooking and she's smiling. So this is one thing I like about Meta AI. So it will animate for you, and it will give you the leverage for you to tell your image what to do per time. You understand? And the amazing thing is that it will give you this in 16 by 9. That's the most amazing thing. It is going to give you in 16:9. So when you go over to CapCut or InShot to do your editing, it won't be difficult for you. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask in my comments. If I cannot reply, I will always make a video for you. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.